Actually, what
Lero boko njumaine kuni zitabibu yanku watoni kile Nteto chia Weru Thaa Mugwanja betawa MUTEMBEI Edward. Obunge we Mbe North Julius tumunethirite akiuria aciari batikagio bwite bakalas methu kuongelo mbeca ingi kiri mantu ingi kurira ritobo BC irio mbeca cia kierio kuningana na Taitumura ni mukamiti wa kithomo ndene ya bunge na iwite bakarande ya bunge na kwerekania mbeca ikenda aciari batikethire bakiria mbeca cia kierio kiuta tena Nteto irethirite ikiario ukambere nkuruki nethirite itariria ati witithu kwari mukathi ndene ya mongo Kenya ni kuthirite gwikinyanira Meru ni mwe county irigunikite nontobo.
Actually, what happens in budget ya Weru nikaita educate line department ikathoma ikolelia ikaura ni mbeca cia machukuru cia woka ili o kithoite o what can we do tukabwithia amendment ibo tutobwithirie na kwenda kwira aciari uti cause of alarm ana bakabwithia kierio no to kierio priority no te policy iraretwe gwa aciari bete atia banekadire mbeca.
Mubunge ojo Julius Taitumura ni mumemba wa kamiti ya mbunge ya mantu megie ekithomo na tariritie ati gutire kigirio gitakiruthwa na mbeca abura irari gwikirwa ugwaya kiri aciari ati aciari bakaria mbeca achakirio kia mwana agwao akirutha kirio ya kinthiguru gutire muciari akaria mbeca nontu tayari
education committee itwaitire turwa na tiketari na mbeca no twetike na mbeca rira budget ikugwithwa although priority rimwe benda kuanga tukabwithia ki supplementary turarea turwa githomo tukashike aciari committee ni echokerie tuaturume mbeca kiri departments cia education maira cia capitation cia secondary cia JSS na kinya primary tuwekera 5.9 billion nikienda thirikari bandaye yomba kureta supplementary tomba ochoke nara secondary tikaikaura cia secondary na ile ingi choke JSS na ingi choke primary no tu ina kwa rumitwe ira bukwana 900 JSS 2 billion na secondary sector from 3 and above na 2 na huu kana secondary ira na sio 3 billion lakini mbecha ile ikachoka no tu tugure turi education committee
nkuruki yogo aethiritwa akithetera amantu omegie gwetithirwa nkathi ekwarimo na ende aina bokenera kiuga itheta ariao ithite nambe na kuthikirwa
na ndaenderie petition na statement to bigoma mbunge yetumite pendia kadona Meru etu na county ira sire arimu abaingi county 35 itajiri mugao wa oboya itwenda kenda bandai bote korocho korobu anda mape nonto ura format ira tumiri na kwa lau area zira buanga manji no angahaso iwite korocho kerwa tebura antu bathwana cia tongeri bangi bachwa kura na benda confusion bage bako ni antu bataitumba te promote antu aba promote igembe north ni ari na ari mu 74 lare ni ari na 30 na mutuati ari na 42 lakini ndenda mbongeli nonto ida ichi akiete tumegete nonto mantu ya aso ya kitandi 4 creationship odombo mbira ari mu isiolo ba apply promotion ari mu mana 5 ba promote batatu mana 3 waita Lamu the same waita Garissa the same waita kura kungi bahatu tu na population nene sana like Meru baraba with the interview around to 5,554 na waita kadra nto abenda ku promote ko within county is around 751
Mbe North Wetan class Chabari.
Thirikari ni yandite mukana kiri antu barabetherane ndiba kenyangia ana baskuru kiwendo na kaitene kala baingite skuru kana county recithiri kiliongiro muno ni atali thirikari iwitoroka watekana murito skuru akethira kiukirwe tale rerito ndeke watho no tira na kwithira akibungo miaka ire ibatire kwithira arinchera ya ritwe kiri mambura yo kungwira mwana wa Afrika county ya Narok.
And we invite all tourists to visit our game parks and all the places in our county. But we give a stern warning that anyone who is coming with the intention of exploiting our young girls, the government is ready and willing to take stern action as per the Sexual Offences Act, and the penalties are very stiff. In fact, the minimum sentence in the Sexual Offences Act is 10 years for issues of indecent assault or having defiled a girl of above 18 years. But below that, there is a penalty of 15 years, and below that, if it's below 11 years, there is a life imprisonment, and we are urging all stakeholders to budget and plan for children issues, from issues of education, issues of health, issues of child protection, issues of ensuring that children access hygiene and clean and safe water in their communities. So, and also we are campaigning against harmful cultural practices like child marriages, issues of female genital mutilation, issues of child labor. And now in this current government, we are very fortunate that His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya has established a full state department for children services entirely dedicated to issues of child protection and child welfare in the country, with the head as a PS. And going forward, we expect that with that establishment, the resources allocated on issues of child protection will be increased.
Our message to the parents is just to be on the lookout. We know the tourists will be coming in. Already they are flocking in Masai Mara. So this area becomes very sensitive for us because some of the children get deceived by the money that is actually flowing around this area. So we want to tell the parents to be very careful, to be on the lookout on their children, talk to their children about the negative impacts that comes with such kind of visits.
As a student, you have to have your dreams. Like mtu akikwambia anataka kukupeleka mahali, unafaa kuwa stand na your answer like unataka kuwa what in future, you want to be an important person in future. So usipe huyo mtu akubreakie dream yako juu pesa, ama umwambie hata unataka kusoma ndo baadaye upate hizo pesa hata yako nazo.
Mukarite wa kanju ya magavana na menereti bunene mwerekerio mathabu ya thirikari Margaret Nyakangu akiwa niwo kuonje thirikari cia county akiaria gavana uwite county nicithirite cikilukira gaita ko muno ntubawe kurekeria mbeca icireri nende ariwo bakambire mutaratara yo kumwebelia tene kiu kwethira tithira kialula mituo yawe.
We want to pay this money. I think about 130 million shillings which I have to disburse between now and end of June for bursaries. We have signed intergovernmental partnership agreements with the Ministry of Education, but the controller has become difficult. She has become intransigent. She has become unreasonable, extremely unreasonable. And she's taking the county governments through hell in accessing money. It is unacceptable. The biggest threat to devolution today is the control of budgets. There is no control of budgets for county governments and control of budgets for national government. Why we have to carry invoices and contracts and receipts all the way from Wajir and queue in her office for weeks to access money, I do not understand. And this is hell that every county government has been taken through. We want to be told whether we're really serious as a country about devolution. Why is it so difficult for counties to access the monies that have been appropriated for them? Yet counties are only accessing 9% of the annual budget of Kenya. We can't pay fees for kids who need to be kept in school because some government bureaucrat somewhere is making life difficult for everybody in the chain. The President of Kenya has pronounced himself on this matter. And we want to send a warning to her that as a council, we are now willing to go legal. We are willing to petition the Houses of Parliament for her removal because she has made life impossible for the average Kenyan to access county services.
Atumiriba barabara ya kuma Kailone Kilindo Mwanka Kilimanchuma ne bakutheta no ntubo mukandarasi no bakuwa na kubuithia barabara una kiwango kiande Burundi bakuromba mubunge wo pro abune nde utira mukandarasi yo ate kuri wa mbesa mwankarira akabarabara eu urakubatere
Marieto woni betonjire vasi kanaiba ndi mukario Kilimanchuma sublocation ara barabara yumite kuma Kailone Kilindo Kilimanchuma na batu kira tukua batu barabara hii tukuona tu kinya burera kari thaa ine ndi kinya gya thuka ngirwo nkulugi no ntuba kwithira bria irarikwo ni renji ne kira maramu ni a compactwa ende thai irenjerwe thai kinyote miuru bukaile barabara yonde antu aba kwa bigibigi kabo gutokara batu etete bigibigi otibe tukona ko batu tu atukuromba na etiyo kinene ito tethwe ito mokai ito korera buru to tethwe kinyantu bakera narora kugwongokera ibe ye ba elinji ni okera ne ya elianto ao one batu tetithire tu ontofia
kiama gya ni tengui ya gutubudira barabara iba chokere ringi baile barabara yetu itite bubweya ne tabudiro bweya no tunyera njero chekea etuwe na marinya ko manzo to kona ile siasa na barabara ibu bweya no tu mayara jira barabara ne goro yara ingia sana
ndire aria kwa niava ya barabara Kailune mwanka Kilimanchuma barabara ni thuki muno ende thaiko kya koloko kaurira akero ya na director wetu director atutethia na mpro atutethia batu katwaka matama yani mwanka tutoria lamine Kailune unde mtongare ndire bongare ngare kwa thaine kurite kilindo etomba witia Kilimanchuma ngare erigo sampo yatuka imaiya yake tenjere yakawira re turare barabara ene turande ki director kiremi iturande ka waisesi twabwitha cia barabara ya kuluka kinye bothai enji itukuromba mutongoria weto ya we mwesimi wa mporo wa bori eri kinya kuthia atira bura na kenga munene to muno no toko tuka musumbura mathwani bwa tomba nya koirinye itarenge njire thukite saiti enji wou akoro bare ya thina muno maya ni kuma kumakire mansoma monka baya turacie monka Kailune na mauru urotethera na ngare kasumbura na maya ni aga ya kamata mongo endi tukura mwesimi na contractor gero babutha chinwa barabara batuibirwe kiao tu batwekire nje barabara emoramu tuteboge tukuromba tu na iba twekire moramu tutekuringa siasa
batu tue itukuromba neti yo kinene Ministry of Roads okologira kera batu contractore i contractier ethira atithithie ngwe agethira rei na choke mbia ikethira atirei akarewa mwanka thithe barabara ibo boya
atone kanya gakunoka inchokerete na Nteto ingi.
Je, unatafuta hoteli tulivu ya kifahari na ya kisasa ambapo unaweza kufurahia likizo pamoja na familia au marafiki? Basi karibu Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Tunapatikana katika barabara kuu ya kutoka Meru kuelekea Isiolo, karibu na maili 7, takriban kilomita 11 kutoka mji wa Isiolo. Utapata uwanja mzuri na mpana unaoweza kutoshea hadi watu 5,000 kwa hafla zozote za nje kama vile harusi na mikutano. Vyumba vya mikutano vya kisasa vilivyo na projector na vyenye mtandao wa haraka, kumbi nzuri za hafla kama vile sherehe za siku ya kuzaliwa, sehemu za burudani za nje kama vile nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, flying bridge, camping, bonfire na mahali pa watoto pa kuchezea. Kisimani Organic Farm ambapo utafundishwa kuhusu ukulima wa kisasa na salama wa mimea na mifugo, nyuki, samaki na ndege wa aina mbalimbali. Vyumba vya kulala vya kisasa na vya kifahari na vyakula vya aina zote. Kwa wale walio na mikutano au makongamano, kuna chai na vitafunio, chakula cha mchana, chai ya alasiri na mtandao wa haraka. Kwa habari zaidi tembelea tovuti yetu www.kisimaniresort.com au tupigie simu kwa nambari 0742 205 295 au 0733 570 530. Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
One day you will eat, walk, and talk like royalty. I need you to wake up.
Uko aware this is not a game?
Make it happen.
We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia. Nikufe ama nisikufe.
Kama mbaya, mbaya.
An eye for an eye.
What is your family involved in? Go close to take control over the hearts of empire. We ni mnoma sana.
no kwenda munda jo mwega Solution Housing and Investment iba gukumenyithia gurura na nyuki Prime Land ni miunda iri guntu gukwega na iri na title deeds ndene na nyuki barabarene na nyuki gwitaro muruti akwina Olpajeta Conservancy na kilomita 5 akikuma na nyuki town no witarire ploti yaku araika 5 shilingi milioni 8 ikiamwe shilingi milioni 5 nusu eka milioni 1.3 kuota eka ingiri 700 na aneithia eka ni ingiri 150 kuria ni bobuthu no uria deposit ya gichunje kia 30 no thirikiri wingi na ntuko 90 kana kobe loan kiri Solution Sacco miundeje ni miaga muno ya waki ni antu waega kagwika biashara na kinyaga kuthithiria urimi ni untu bonte tonkurukiri ingira Solution Sacco kiri 0723 743 910 kana 0711 833 615 kana no uriungira website yao kiri www.solutionsacco.com. Solution Housing and Investment, your dream, our concern. Solution Sacco, your ultimate financial partner.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu yake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Moguri wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice. Ji nice na nice extra premium.
Ikundi kia Muungano International ni kiliungite thangathati ya NIST kienda kuthomethia akari uguni bwa kubwithi ikundi na ukuma kinya ikundi ne biu atongerebe kundi kiba kiari ni bauritia siasa kureka kuringa siasa kaitene kana kurumira mantu igwiti na mbere kenda karibethira bakiguneka kuringana na mawira na yo ya mwaka yo 2022 kuluki ne bakathite ngavana Meru mutumantu ethinge no tuba kurumira witi na mbere kumare kuyuki otongeria pa county ya Meru.
Matulini kurumono ni bethiritwe bari mustane jwambere kuja amwe na kuthithia ikundi bya gucionjorithia na njira ya gwika mithitho ya kimbesa na kuthithia mantu jangi jegie gukuria mugongo. Tulini angongo aka wandini ya thangata tigania East kuri kumwe ikundi bibi gwetemeri kuringana na Samira Yuarundia mukarigiti wa ikundi bya Muungano na Joyce Kawira bare bariongirite na kubathira mawega ja kuja amwe kenda bethiro bari na uge
ithe na mono ukinyithia nara kwa mheshimiwa Kairemia na kiabiere ithe na mono uma gwita Meru na bonekero form ira ya engafu tachi document chienu chiae kia proposal te uma ona ni ndra chia janire ndeta ndeja form ira na ndetha inka bonekera form yu
aja ni bajukitie kanya kuthikira mathina jaria akariba gukurukira wandi neja thangatha kurio wagubaroji stima barabara kwithira ithuki na thina ingi inyingi iria berite atongiria banteriji ario MCA rija na mubunge mpuru aburi gutungatira
ngikira muruguze ya ninio bothigere nkamutara wa mukono kira yotene batu thenera turite buru mongo yoko no tukona utengo genduta nonto ba kamata motongi jaroje batu erie buru to na roje buru akasere rwe mporo atwerera tukundia roje na ninde to eterete eliya tura tukundia roje na ninde to eterete barabara na dio na to arima
iro to ya na kero terero mporo abori mkuigwa no MP wa Thangatha urangera mporo na neri kole likundi bya roterero Thangatha na roterero atiania ethira akemenya ekuruiba kuria thina ya buba kwa yarwe bakwithira bakia yarwe antu ibaritire rwe muongo botombo tara mutongi to soka turia na mitongi muongo ekuruti sawa kero kisana kwena mbesa ikwaya no ndene account na ekuroba te kuona bira nkoromba ibwerie kumenya mbesa uci account kethe icio kinyila ekoro kenda bomba ni utethuka keri ikundi
mheshimiwa ngavana mutuma antu baba inge ibachiterete anga kuja kurungamete kia ngavana lakini batwe turungamete mheshimiwa mheshimiwa Reverend Isaka mutumo nto ithinkia ou no turonginwe kure kana kware antu beje kana bareke kwija tukugwatana ti anturongamena muntu uria ugateithia ikundi.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, Ntuleni Angongwaka, Wandini Athangatha, Tigania East, County ya Meru.
Tuita